I did it my way.
Yep. Well, this is my old one, the one that I've been fighting with. I received a new piston plus a plunger and the paper gasket, installed it, and had no joy. So the left side plunger still goes out very, very slowly. Um, but I've got this one from Moss, which is a TRW. I don't know if that's a good or bad, but um, I've already bench bled this sucker, and I had zero issues. So I am just about to install this. And there we go. I'm all done. This actually installed in minutes. It wasn't tough at all. Before I installed it, though, I did tie down the pipes, the copper tubings here, and I may do a little bit of clipping for the big one here, which is the clutch pipe. Aside from that, I'm done. I've also installed the springs for the clutch and brake pedal returns. That was quick and easy. Yeah, I'm gonna go inside and have a beer, I think, and then plot out my steps on doing the electricals. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.